Welcome to the beautiful landscapes of Switzerland. First, we see the majestic mountains, tall, peaceful, and covered with fresh air and natural beauty. Next, there are charming houses between the mountains. These cozy homes create a warm and peaceful atmosphere. Now, look at the cows grazing quietly in the green fields. They are a familiar and beautiful part of Swiss countryside life. Here comes the famous mountain train. It moves smoothly through the valleys and mountains. In the distance, we see a clear blue lake, calm and magical. Butterflies fly gently through the air, bringing life and color to nature. High in the mountains, mountain goats climb the rocky slopes with amazing balance. In winter, two dogs are playing happily in the snow on the mountain. The streets are quiet and peaceful, giving a feeling of calm and harmony. In springtime, the houses look even more beautiful, surrounded by green nature. Once again, the train travels through the mountains. Arrives with beautiful flowers blooming everywhere, through the mountains. Life begins again with new energy and beauty. Thank you for watching. Author, Coquimbro.